you are back. Welcome. So in this video we will be talking about top 5 phone launches that will be launching in September. Number 5, Apple iPhone 13 series. As you know that Apple launches is Apple iPhones in September, and this year is no different. So Apple will be launching its iPhone 13 series with 4 models: the 13 mini, the vanilla, the Pro and the Pro Max. 4 models will be there, and the rumored specifications of these are 120Hz refresh rate with LTPO panel, although I believe that 120Hz refresh rate will be only on Pro models, 6GB RAM on Pro models and 4GB RAM on non-Pro models, Apple A15 Bionic chip, always on display, Wi-Fi 6E and upgraded fast charging. Some rumors say that the iPhone 13 series will come with a smaller notch, while others say that it will be a full view display. But personally speaking, I think that the smaller notch would be the one I would prefer with, or I would go with, because as you know that Apple uses that tech which is completely polished and completely finalized, and as you know if they go for full view display, then they have to go for the under display camera, and the under display camera tech is not developed yet, or I can say not evolved yet to produce quality results. So I don't think that iPhone or Apple will go with the under display camera, so smaller notch will be the preference by Apple. Speaking of launch, it is rumored that Apple will launch the iPhone 13 series on September 14th. At number 4 is Vivo X70 series, which is the successor to X60 series, and there are rumors that there will be 3 smartphones: X70, X70 Pro and X70 Pro Plus. Not much rumors are about the X70 series, but some common rumors are that they all will have AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. They are rumored to equipped with either the Exynos 1080 chipset or the Dimensity 1200 5G chipset. Vivo can go with both of them in different smartphones. So these are the specs, and also the X70 series would be having the great cameras, because as you know the X60 series was famous for its gimbal camera system. So hope that Vivo will launch another awesome and cool camera features in their X70 series. And these are all the things that are rumored about the X70 series. They are rumored to launch in China on 10th of September, and global launch will be after some days. At number 3 is the Mi 11T series. There will be 2 smartphones, the Mi 11T and Mi 11T Pro. Both will follow similar design footprints, punch hole display with 120Hz refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. It is rumored that the Mi 11T will have a 64MP triple camera setup, while the Mi 11T Pro will come with a 108MP triple camera setup. So let's see how the camera system is, because the Mi 11 Ultra camera is very awesome. And also they are rumored to have 120W fast charging similar to that of Mi Mix 4, and the Mi 11T series are rumored to launch on 15th of September in China and possibly after 2 weeks globally. At number 2 are the Realme 8S and Realme 8i, which will launch on September 9, and both are listed on Flipkart. So the Realme 8i would be a 4G smartphone with MediaTek Helio G96 processor, and the Realme 8s would be a 5G smartphone with MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor. Both are rumored to have a triple camera setup, and Realme 8i is rumored to have a 120Hz 6.6-inch display with punch hole, and possibly both the smartphone will come with a punch hole display. There is no much detail about the Realme 8s, but I think that it will have a 90Hz refresh rate, possibly because the 5G processor. And Realme 8i would be having a triple camera setup with 50MP primary sensor, 2MP depth sensor and 2MP macro sensor possibly, and the 50MP is an omni-region sensor, not the Sony one, not the Samsung one. So don't expect any great camera from the smartphones. And at number 1 is the smartphone that literally everyone is waiting for. Yes, the JioPhone Next. It is rumored that it will have a 5.5-inch 60Hz HD display, 13MP back camera, 8MP selfie, 16GB or 32GB of internal storage, Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 with 2GB or 3GB of RAM, and 2500mAh battery. And since Jio is partnering with Google, that means you will be getting clean stock Android, and it is rumored that it will be launching on September 10. So yes, this is a great phone, and yes, this will be priced around 3499 rupees. That means a smartphone for everyone. So those were the top 5 smartphones that will be launching in September. Let me know in the comment section below for which smartphone you are eagerly waiting. So tell me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Catch you guys in the next video. Till then, this is 𝗨𝗪𝗏𝗧 signing off.